How to lock gallery on Samsung, lock album with fingerprint or passcode. In order to lock gallery on your Samsung Galaxy device, maybe by locking it with fingerprint or passcode, first open up gallery on your Samsung, go to the menu icon and simply go to settings. From settings, scroll down and go to about gallery. You can see this version number. Multiple tap the version number in order to enable developer options called Gallery Labs within Samsung Gallery. So once Gallery Labs is enabled, come back and scroll down and go to Gallery Labs. And from Gallery Labs, you want to scroll down and turn on album entry locks with lock screen credentials. So what we want to do is simply turn this on, tap on the OK button, and now we can simply come back and choose a certain album. Let's say if you want to lock a certain album, just tap on the three dots option and make sure to basically lock this album if you want to do so. So you can tap the three dots, go to album settings, and you can choose to change that. So this way you should be able to go ahead and enable Gallery Labs and basically lock it. The other ways that we can do this is by simply navigating or moving this to a secure folder. So tap on the move option and you can simply tap on the long press option, tap on three dots and tap on move to secure folder to lock that application or the whole system images in that case. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.